Hey everyone, welcome back to the backyard, and this is about safety. This is the Trihelper 5-ton car jack. Let's get into this because this is an awesome product that I think everybody's going to want. So popping this open, there's really two main pieces to this. This is the 5-ton jack and an air compressor all in one, and then this is an electric impact wrench. And you operate both of these through your 12-volt system. If you have a cigarette lighter in your car, you can use that, but if you don't worry, you can always hook directly to your battery, and then it comes with the adapter right on the bottom of this. And the nice thing about the jack also is not only is it flat on top, but it's also ridged. So if you have a car like this Kia Soul back here, where it's directed to put it on the frame and it's a straight line, you have this and you can rotate that and get it directly on that jack portion. I have this all hooked up to the car and it's fairly simple to use. There's 3 switches across the bottom and that's all you need to know. On the far right, you have what's either the jack or the air compressor. You flip it up for the air compressor, or you push it down for the jack to be used. On the far other side, you have up and down. So if you want to push the jack to make it go up, all you have to do is push up and the jack itself will start climbing. And then you push it down and it will release the jack down. In the middle, what you have is a light. So if you're out and you need a light, you have that also. Also included in the kit for safety is a couple of socket wrenches that work with the gun. And then you have a seatbelt cutter and a window punch if you need it. But what you really want to know is, would I recommend this or would I buy it again? Yeah, I have no question I would buy this again. In fact, I'm going to buy a second one. I got this one for my wife's car just to try it out. This takes a lot of the work out of the game of changing a tire. It's rated to 5 tons, so it's going to lift most small cars and SUVs, no problem. And just so you know, I did test this out on this Kia multiple times. I wouldn't just hand this to my wife and say, go off and just hopefully this will work. I wanted to make sure that she had this in case of an emergency. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.